Hello guys, welcome to the part 2 section of our backup and migration video tutorial. In the part 1, we've backed up our website affilimola.com. As you can see, I'm still on the backup page here, and we've downloaded the backup files. That's importbuddy.php, and the backup file we've downloaded it. So now you have your backup files. How do you migrate from your current hosting to BlueHost? The first step is to point your DNS, that's the domain name servers, to BlueHost. If you've not ordered for your BlueHost account, I'll leave my affiliate link below this video. Click on it and order your BlueHost account. I also have a video showing you how you can get a BlueHost account for your WordPress blog. So I want to believe you have a BlueHost account right now. You've ordered for your BlueHost account. So the first step you do is go into your domain name registrar, and I use Namesilo. They are one of the best domain name registrars online. I use Namesilo.com. I also leave my affiliate link below. If you want to order for your domain names, I recommend Namesilo to you. So sign in into your account. Once you're inside your account, you go to your domain manager. Inside your domain manager, select the domain name you would want to migrate from your current hosting to a different hosting company. That from the current hosting to BlueHost. Select it and click on Change Name Service. So this is our old name service. So let's change it to BlueHost name service, and it's ns1.bluehost.com, and we have ns2.bluehost.com. You hit submit. Let's give it some time. Namesilo takes like 15 minutes to 2 hours for DNS to fully propagate. So we'll give it some time for the DNS to fully propagate. Now let me see if we can add this domain into our BlueHost account. For you to log into your BlueHost account, just go to my.bluehost.com. Like I said, I believe you already have your BlueHost account. If you don't have, I've left the link below this video. Click on it, make your order for a BlueHost, because it's the best and that's what we recommend. So log into your BlueHost account. To take some time for this to finish loading. We are now inside our BlueHost account. So we go to the domains, and we go to add domain. So let's add the domain we want to move here, and the domain name is affilimola.com. Just enter that domain name you would want to have it here. Hit your check. No, we are not registering. Sorry for that. We are just assigning. So let's rather use this one. So BlueHost will verify that we are pointing the DNS to them. And once they've seen that we are pointing to them, we verified our domain name. We select add on domain and we create a new directory. Everything has been done for us. All you need to do is enter your domain name here and everything has been created. Then let's assign this domain. Our domain name has been fully assigned to our BlueHost account. So we are good to go here. So if we come here, my domains, see that we have our newly assigned domain name here. So the next step is to upload our backup files into our domain directory here. Let's go to advanced, which will take us to our cPanel. Inside our cPanel, we'll click File Manager. Inside our public HTML folder, you expand, and this is the folder we're looking for. So let's upload our backup files here. So the two files we are uploading, these are the two files, ImportBuddy.php and the zip file of the backup we made. As this file is being uploaded, let's go back to our cPanel and create our database connection, because we need a database connection. So you click on MySQL databases. So let's create a database. I'll just call it affiliate. Create database. Let's have a notepad to save our database credentials. So database name, let me save it as migration data. Let's go back. Let's jump to users. Let's create a new user for the work we are about to do. I'll call it Mola. Let's generate a password. Use password here. And let's click create user. So our password is this. And then the database username, database user. Let's see. So we have our migration data saved here. We will come back to, we will use this data in terms of the migration once the DNS propagation has finished. So let's check. Yes, our upload, the two have completed. So let's just click go back, and we have our two files here. So in order to see whether the DNS propagation has finished successfully, let's try to access the ImportBuddy PHP file. page not found, it means we are still on our old host. So let's give it some time, like I said, between 15 minutes to 2 hours for the DNS propagation to finish successfully. Then once it's done, we will access BackupBuddy from our new server. Then we will continue the migration process. So I'm going to pause this video, and once the DNS propagation is completed, we'll begin from there. Hello guys, I'm back again, and our DNS has successfully propagated. So now we can continue our migration process. Let me refresh the page for you to see. So as you can see, it's working. So what we do is we insert our import body password here. This is to protect you from other people gaining access to your import body file and doing whatever they like with it. So we have our backup file here. Everything is ticked. You just go to restore backup. Okay, so now most often every database you get localhost, and let me grab the migration data we saved. So for the database name, we have this database user, then the database password, we have the database prefix. For most WordPress tables, you'll get WP_, but for security reasons, it's always good to change the WP_. For this example, we'll just do something like this, and we click next. Sorry guys, I have not given the database privileges. This user have not given privileges to this table, so let me just go back and do that. Let's go back and do that here. So user to this database, we should have done this earlier, I forgot. So you just add this user and you give the database privileges to this database and make your changes. Okay, so let's retry again. Yeah, as you can see, our files have been restored and database 2 has been successfully restored. So it's asking us for the old URL and the new URL. They are going to be the same, so it's okay. We click next. This is okay in the config file. There's nothing to worry about. So let's check our new site. And yeah, it opens successfully for us. So it means we've migrated from the old server to our new BlueHost account. So this is how you do migration. This is how you do your WordPress blog migration from an old server to a new server. And it's very easy. As you saw, we first created a backup. We uploaded our 2 backup files to our new server. We changed the domain name servers to point to our new server. Once the propagation was done, we came in, we set up our database user and our database table. We gave the database privileges to the user we've created, we came to, you just enter your domain name. Just enter your domain name, domainname.com/importbuddy.php. This is the URL. So you enter your domain name, the one that we are doing the migration on. You enter the domain name here /importbuddy.php, which will bring you to this page and you do your migration. So once you've checked and everything is working for you here, just click finish cleanup to finish the whole migration process. This is deleting all the temporal files and also the import body files. So guys, we are done. We finished successfully. In the part 1, we backed up our WordPress blog, we downloaded the files, and in this part 2, we've migrated our site from an old server to our BlueHost server. Guys, if you have any other questions, leave them in the comment box below. If you want BackupBuddy, I've left the link below this video. Click on it. Order BackupBuddy to do all your backups and your migration. I recommend BlueHost to you. I've also left that link below this video. Click on that link to get your BlueHost account. So thanks for watching and bye bye.